Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. And this is, I just bought it, and we're down about 90 days of using the ToughBlade Pro 1995 razor with 12 months worth of blades. It has the LED light and vibrates and all that stuff. The battery is finally gone. Died, so time to replace the battery. And this is the first time I'm going to go ahead and change the thing. Is I don't like it. It's not wide enough. It's really thin, and not as wide as the other one. It's only now. I just want to compare the size of the blades. Now, I've never had any problem with these, and of course you can see right on through the back, so it cleans right away. This is a CVS 5. I mean, it's got 5 blades, but you know, you'll have to take it into consideration. It doesn't clean like it should, you know, when you're spraying it out, because the LED light is behind it. And as you can see, your beard and hair get caught behind it and plug it up. So I don't like that idea either. You can see how much cutting space you have compared to the two. You got all the little fancy whistles and stuff on this one. To try it, but it plugs up even when I'm doing it. I don't have the problem with the bigger one, and of course that's why. So bells and whistles. This vibrates. It's got a little LED light on it, and then it's got another LED light on there up on that side. Got to put a battery in it. So, but you know, I believe this is about the same price. The only thing is, when you go to buy blades, they can be around $24 for, you know, five blades. That's the only thing. So, but take it into consideration. You know, you get what you pay for. This one's really easy to change the blades on. Just pull it off and then plug it back in. I'm making a liar out of me. Come on, get back in there. There you go. Alright. Come on, get in there. Okay. So, you know, that's the way it goes. Just there you go. So you're gonna pay for what you get. So I'm going to try and put another blade back on here. How simple that is. I know with the other ones that I use, you can just push it right in and grab. I think I got to spread that and grab it. All right. Like it did that. Now you gotta pop that off. Alright, so you're back on. The LED plugs up. So you actually, when you pull that back, it should clean out. But as you can see, it's got itself all plugged up on the old blade. So make sure you pull that back and then clean the back side of that out. You know, run the water through it, but make sure you do that, because if you don't, you're going to plug up on the back side. We'll get another set of the sucker's rusting. If that's not working, make sure you pull that battery out of there. a little triple. Got a little triple in there. Do a little bit of. There's a little bit of light, so there's working. But it's not going to vibrate. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. And microvibration. I don't know. It's a razor, so but like the idea that it plugged up in the back and the battery finally went. So, anyway, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. You'll catch me on the next. I just bought it.